Hi guys, welcome to my channel Glow with Hindoli. So today I'm going to tell you a very simple way to make the makeup remover and save some money. So for that you're going to need 1 or 2 teaspoon of any aloe vera gel available in the market, and then some coconut oil. You can take virgin or extra virgin one. Thereafter I'm going to use 2 to 3 drops of rosemary essential oil. This is completely optional, and then we just have to mix it well and it's ready to be tried. Yeah, let's try and see what's the end result. The coconut oil inside this makeup remover helps to dissolve the makeup, so all the makeup I'm using all are waterproof makeup, but you can see how easily it removes just in a minute. So yeah, you can try this and test this once, and thereafter you will never need any different makeup remover or any micellar water like that. So yeah, that's it. You can see how good is this. I hope you will like this trick and surely apply it on your day-to-day basis. And please, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and of course don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to make another video like this, or a makeup video. And whatever you think about this, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. Bye bye.